May 2026, a powerful phase of positive transformation. On 12th May, Mars is transiting in Aries. On 15th May, Mercury and Sun both will transit into Taurus. On 14th May, Venus will transit Gemini and will conjunct Jupiter. On 16th May, Saturn is moving to Revati Nakshatra in Pisces, and month will end with very positive combination of Mercury, Jupiter and Venus. Mars in Aries, action, aggression, and bold global decisions can be seen. Rise in geopolitical tensions, but also innovation and rapid progress can be seen. Stronger defense system and military preparedness is on mark. 12th May to 14th May, Mars, Sun, and Mercury conjunction may enhance authority, strategic intelligence, and fast execution can be seen. Impulsiveness, ego clashes should be taken care. Venus is transiting in Gemini on 14th of May. Venus, Jupiter, and at the end of the month, Mercury joining in Gemini. Shift towards diplomacy, communication, and global cooperation can be seen. Boost in media and technology, education and marketing, financial markets can be seen. Increase in global communication, negotiations, and partnership are also at mark. Saturn in Revati is transiting on 16th May. Long pending issues will move towards final outcomes. End of outdated system and patterns will be seen. Focus area will be healing, spirituality, oceans related, and migration. Emotional and economic stability will be also there. This transit encourages maturity, accountability, and preparation for new cycle. Overall, month begins with intensity and high action, and later challenges will transform into opportunities. Aries ascendant. Mars ascendant lord entering its own sign on 12th May. This will definitely boost the confidence as well as the ability to take bold initiatives. 12th May to 14th May, Sun, Mars and Mercury conjunction may bring some impulsiveness and ego clashes. On 14th May, Venus is transiting Gemini, and at the end of the month, Mercury will join Venus and Jupiter in Gemini. This will create strong opportunities for communication, networking, learning, and business growth, along with improved relationship with siblings and neighbors. Chances of short travelings is also seen. Saturn will transit in Revati on 16th May, which supports emotional maturity and completion of pending matters. Overall, the month starts intense but ends on a positive note with growth, clarity, and meaningful progress. Taurus. May 2026 will be a largely positive month for a Taurus ascendant. On 12th May, Mars is entering 12th house, which may bring expenses and restlessness. From 14th May, Venus joining Jupiter in the second house enhances family happiness, celebrations in family, and financial growth. And it's a good time for jewelry purchases and wealth accumulation. From 15th May, Sun and Mercury are also transiting from the ascendant, which will boost confidence and decision making. By month end, 3 benefics in second house strongly support gains, including profits from share market and investments. Saturn in Revati Nakshatra in 11th house ensures the fulfillment of long-term desires. Gemini. May 2026 will be a highly favorable and progressive month for a Gemini ascendant, with Mars entering in 11th house on 12th May, bringing gains, strong networking, and fulfillment of desire. From 14th May, Venus joins Jupiter in the ascendant, enhancing charm, confidence, attractiveness, and overall positivity. On 15th May, Sun and Mercury move to 12th house, which may bring some expenses as well as foreign connections. On 14th May, Venus joins Jupiter in ascendant, and later Mercury joining Venus and Jupiter in ascendant is forming powerful benefic combination that aspects the 7th house, making it an excellent timing for marriage, relationships, and business partnership. Saturn transiting in 10th house ensures steady career growth, responsibility, and long-term stability. Cancer. May 2026 will be a progressive month for a Cancer ascendant, starting with strong career focus as Mars, Sun, and Mercury activate the 10th house, bringing ambition and leadership opportunity. From mid-month, gain and networking improves as Sun and Mercury move to 11th house. Venus in 12th house may increase expenses but also brings comfort, travel, and foreign connections. By month end, the combination of Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury in the 12th house supports spiritual growth, foreign benefits, and peaceful outcomes. Saturn in Reti adds maturity, steady progress, as well as benefit from network. Leo. May 2026 will be a largely positive and progressive month for a Leo ascendant. On 12th May, Mars enters 9th house in Aries and boosts luck, confidence, and support from destiny. From 14th May, Venus enters 11th house and joins Jupiter, bringing gains, social expansion, and fulfillment of desires. On 15th May, Sun and Mercury move into the 10th house, enhancing career growth, recognition, and decision making. By the end of the month, the powerful conjunction of Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury in 11th house creates excellent opportunities for financial gains, benefits through networks, success in share market as it is aspecting 5th house, investments, good news related to children, and even possibilities of childbirth. Saturn transiting from Reti Nakshatra may bring some sudden changes, emotional transformation, or hidden challenges, pushing towards maturity and inner strength. Virgo. May 2026 will be a transformative yet rewarding month for Virgo ascendant. On 12th May, Mars is transiting in 8th house, which may bring sudden changes, stress, or unexpected situations. So patience is required. A major positive shift comes from 14th May. As Venus enters in 10th house, Venus-Jupiter conjunction brings growth, recognition, and support in career. From 15th May, Sun and Mercury moves into 9th house, enhancing luck, guidance, and opportunities through travel or higher learning. And by the end of the month, powerful conjunction of Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter in 10th house creates excellent prospects for career growth, promotion, and business expansion, especially in marketing and communication related fields. Saturn in 7th house in Revati Nakshatra brings maturity and responsibility in partnership. Libra. Mars transiting the 7th house on 12th May and conjuncting Sun and Mercury from 12th May to 14th May, which may create intensity, arguments, or ego clashes in relationships and partnerships. A strong positive shift comes as Venus joins Jupiter in 9th house, boosting luck, support from mentors. Travel opportunities can also be seen. On 15th May, Sun and Mercury moves to 8th house, indicating some sudden changes, hidden matters, or the need of introspection can be seen. At the end of the month, the powerful conjunction of Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter in the 9th house brings relief, growth, blessings, and opportunities in higher learning, travel, and destiny-related matters. Saturn in Revati demands discipline. Overall, the month starts with relationship challenges but ends with luck, growth, and positive transformation. Scorpio. May 2026 will be a powerful and transformative month for a Scorpio ascendant, starting with a strong momentum as Mars transiting the sixth house in its own sign, giving victory over enemies. From 12th May to 14th May, Mars, Sun, and Mercury are in Aries. Some work pressure can be seen and conflicts may arise. From 14th May, Venus in 8th house brings chances of sudden financial gains, inheritance, and positive development from in-laws' side. On 15th May, Sun and Mercury moves into 7th house, highlighting partnership and relationship, bringing focus on agreements and public dealing. By the end of the month, Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter creates a strong combination for hidden gains, research, transformation, and unexpected financial benefits. Saturn in Reiki brings maturity in matters of love and children. The month supports victory, transformation, and hidden gains. Sagittarius. May 2026 will be a big, dynamic, and positive month for a Sagittarius ascendant. Mars in the 5th house from 12th May in its own house. Sun Mercury conjunction with Mars will be for a small period, bringing strong creativity, confidence, passion, and focus on children education, as well as speculative gains, though some impulsiveness should be controlled. From 14th May, Venus joins Jupiter in the 7th house, enhancing relationships, partnerships, and marriage prospects. From 15th May, Sun Mercury will move to 6th house, helping you to tackle competition. By the end of the month, the powerful conjunction of Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter in the 7th house creates one of the best phases for marriage, partnership, business deals, and public relationships. Saturn in Revati will bring responsibility, emotional maturity, and focus on home. Overall, the month supports relationship growth and success through partnership. Capricorn. For Capricorn ascendant, Mars is transiting from the 4th house from 12th May, and it is very good for home, property, and real estate matters. From 14th May, Venus joins Jupiter in the 6th house, helping in resolving conflicts and improving work environment. Sun and Mercury transits in 5th house, which will enhance creativity and intelligence. By the end of the month, Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter in the 6th house form a strong combination for good working environment and foreign connection as it is aspecting 12th house. Saturn on 16th May transiting in Reti Nakshatra, which is already in 3rd house, brings discipline, efforts, courage, and steady progress through communication and self-initiative. Aquarius. May 2026 will be progressive and opportunity-filled month for Aquarius ascendant. From 12th May, Mars is in 3rd house along with Mercury and Sun till 15th May. Will definitely boost courage, communication, efforts, and success in short travels, though some impatience may be seen. From 15th May, Sun and Mercury will transit into the 4th house, bringing focus in home matters, property, and emotional stability. A major highlight is Venus transiting the 5th house and joining Jupiter, later followed by Mercury, forming a powerful benefic conjunction in Gemini. This is excellent for creativity, education, love life, childbirth, and speculative gains. Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter aspecting 11th house will bring financial gains. Overall, the month favors growth through skills, creativity, and smart efforts in the second half of the month. Pisces. May 2026 will be a significant and growth-oriented month for a Pisces ascendant. On 12th May, Mars in 2nd house and Mercury and Sun conjunction till 15th May for a short period brings focus on family matters, finance, and speech. Care is needed to avoid harsh communication. From 15th May, Mercury and Sun will move into third house, boosting confidence, communication skills, along with short travels. From 14th May, Venus joins Jupiter in the fourth house, later joined by Mercury, forms a powerful benefic combination, and that supports happiness at home and excellent prospects for property, land, or vehicle. Their aspect in 10th house also enhances career growth. Saturn in Revati in ascendant brings maturity, responsibility, and karmic transformation. Overall, the month balances financial awareness with strong gains in home, career, and personal growth. Please subscribe, share, and comment. I'm Gauri Jain, your astrologer and Vastu consultant.